A pre-owned 2015 Hyundai Genesis 3.8-liter. 2015 Hyundai Genesis 3.8L. Understated luxury, confident power. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable transmission. This Hyundai has less than 103,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Meet your new, but not actually new, best decision. A 2015 Hyundai Genesis 3.8L finished in stunning Montecito Blue with a black leather interior. It's the kind of luxury sedan that balances confidence, comfort, and quiet swagger without trying too hard. Under the hood is a factory 3.8L V6 producing 311 horsepower and 293 lb-ft of torque, paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It delivers strong, effortless acceleration while still returning a practical 18 miles per gallon city/29 miles per gallon highway. With under 103,000 miles, averaging less than 9,000 miles per year, this Genesis has clearly lived a responsible life. Clean Carfax and excellent overall condition inside and out back that up. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.